In the next question, question number 3, it is given daily pocket allowance of few children. In this question, the number of frequency is missing for a class interval, and in this question mean is given to 18 and we have to find a missing frequency. So for this question we start by first step. First we have to find class mark. For this class interval, class mark will be 12 and class size is 2. So we add 2 in the class mark. We get 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So our first step is complete. Now come to the next step. We can use any method. Here if we multiply directly by these numbers, then also our question will be solved. If we use any other method, we can use. So we go to the next step, which is DI. So in this question we find DI, and for this we first assume the mean. Let's say mean of this data will be 18. Here already mean is given, so it is easy for us. Otherwise we use our usual method. Here number of terms are odd, so we choose the middle one. So here our assumed mean is 18. Now di is equal to xi minus a. Now calculate xi minus a for each value. Now xi is 12 and a is 18, so 12 minus 18 gives minus 6, 14 minus 18 minus 4 minus 2, 0, 2, 4 and 6. Okay, now the next step, either we can choose directly multiply these numbers, or we can use the next step, find ui. So here I choose the step deviation method, so we have to find ui. Ui is equal to di by h, and here class interval class size is 2, so minus 6 divided by 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And in the next step we find fi ui. Now frequency is given, ui we already find, so multiply these two columns. 7 multiplied by minus 3 minus 21, 6 into 2 minus 12, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, 13 into 0, 0, f into 1, f, 5 into 2, 10 and 4 into 3, 12. Now the next step, find sigma fi ui. We have to add all this data. So plus 12 minus 12 cancel out, minus 21 minus 9 minus 30 plus 10 minus 20 plus f. So fi ui is equal to f minus 20. Clear? Now we have to find frequency. So for this we use formula of step deviation method. Now mean for step deviation method is a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi multiplied by class size. Here mean is 18, a is 18 and sigma fi ui, which is f minus 20, and addition of all given frequencies is f plus 44 multiplied by class size 2. Here 18 minus 18, 0. So 0 is equal to f minus 20 upon f plus 44 multiplied by 2. 0 multiplied by f plus 44 divided by 2 is equal to f minus 20. 0 is equal to f minus 20 and f is equal to 20. So the missing frequency for this question is f is equal to 20. In the next question, question number 4, number of heartbeats per minute are given for 30 women and we have to find mean value of heartbeat. So Again, first step, find the class mark. Here, class mark for 65 and 68 is, the difference is 3. So we divide by 2. So 3 divided by 2 gives 1.5. We add 1.5 in 65. So 65 plus 1.5 gives 66.5. Okay, so this is the another method to find the class mark. And now the class size is 3. So we add 3 in the following number. So 66.5 plus 3, 69.5 plus 3, 72.5 plus 3, 75.5 plus 3, 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. So this is the class mark. Next step is we have to find di. Di is equal to xi minus a. So first choose a. Number of class intervals are odd, 7. So the middle number is 75.5. So for this question, a is 75.5. Now subtract each value by 75.5. So 66.5 minus 75.5 is equal to minus 9. You can also solve this step by very easy step. First, subtract this value 75.5 from a. So 75.5 minus 75.5, which is equal to 0. And our class size is 3. So values are in multiples of 3. So in downward direction, it gives 3, 6 and 9. And in upward direction, it is minus 3, minus 6 and minus 9. Understand? So directly we can find the deviation of the given data. Now the next step is UI. Here class size is 3 and all the numbers are multiple of 3. So we can easily divide by 3. We find UI. UI is equal to di by h. Minus 9 divided by 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now the next step. Now the next step is FIUI. FIUI for this data is number of frequencies are here, UI is here. So multiply these two values. 2 multiplied by minus 3, minus 6, 4 multiplied by minus 2, minus 8, 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3, 8 multiplied by 0, 0, 7 multiplied by 1, 7, 4 multiplied by 2, 8 and 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Now find sigma FIUI. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel, 8 minus 8 cancel, minus 3 plus 7, which is equal to 4. So here sigma FIUI is equal to 4 and total number of women are already given, which is equal to 30. Now we have to find mean. So formula for mean is equal to a plus sigma FIUI divided by sigma FI multiplied by h. Mean is equal to a plus sigma FIUI by sigma FI multiplied by h. Here value of a was 75.5 plus sigma FIUI, which is equal to 4, and sigma FI, which is equal to 30, multiplied by 3. 75.5 plus 3 and 30. So it gives 4 by 10. 75.5 plus 0.4 is equal to 75.9. So average heart rate for women is equal to 75.9 pulse beats per minute.